Just a lovely day out there today, Josh.
And, you know, we've been starting and ending the days quite nice as well. The temperature has been picture perfect. We've gotten to enjoy the sunshine, and that's exactly what we've seen over the past 24 hours. Just a spectacular sunset view out towards the Vancouver area, thanks to our Riverview Bank camera from last night, and seeing a truly spectacular sunrise from our friend Kevin here out over downtown Portland with Mount Hood there off in the distance as the clouds really start to look a bit more like a watercolor painting. As far as those earlier sunset times go, tonight expecting it to happen at 6:47 this evening, and we're going to continue to shave off not only a minute or two of daylight in the morning hours, but also in the evening as we work our way through the next several weeks. And as far as November 1st goes, that's when it starts to happen during the 5 o'clock hour as far as that sunset time goes, as we are shaving off a grand total of 91 minutes right here in the Rose City over the next month or so. You will start to notice that the sun angle looks a little bit different as those days continue to get shorter and the nights become a little bit longer. Beautiful live look right now out towards the Vancouver waterfront thanks to our 13 KOIN's camera. 62 degrees, that's where we're currently sitting with plenty of sunshine and those high thin cirrus clouds. So again, keep those cameras close and handy for another spectacular sunset tonight after we get back up into the mid to upper 60s later this afternoon and evening. Satellite and radar showing just that, the calm, quiet, mostly clear conditions that we are holding on to. And over the next month or so, we do anticipate our temperatures to start to ride out just slightly warmer than what is typical for the month of October. That sweet spot right around 64 for the average high. And as far as the rain potential goes, we've got an equal chance of maybe seeing a surplus right at average or maybe slightly behind. So it's a good spot to be in as we move into our 6th wettest month, as we have already grown a rain deficit to about 8/100ths of an inch here in the Rose City with no accumulative rain showers, although I do anticipate that to change over the next several days. Let's time it out here with the Futurecast. There's those high thin cirrus clouds that we experienced really right now and through the afternoon and evening hours. See much of the same for the start of the day on Thursday. Maybe a little bit more of that abundant sunshine by the afternoon. But then it's Friday that things start to become a little bit more interesting. We have an approaching cold front. Yes, it will be cooling back our temperatures as we work our way into Saturday and eventually bringing back the chance for some rain showers for the second half of the day on Friday. It's all because of this trough of cooler air that will start to push its way back into our area. But then another ridge starts to build with high pressure just in time for the weekend. So really picture perfect fall-like conditions in store for Saturday and Sunday as our rain accumulation nears right at about a quarter, if not even a little bit more than that, as we work our way into Friday, where that snow potential once again returns to the high terrain of the Cascades. We could potentially see a few additional snowflakes pile up on the peak of Mount Hood. Our 7-day forecast here in the city does show that those winds will start to kick up on Thursday. I'm calling those the winds of change because it's going to help to usher in some of that wet weather for Friday afternoon into the evening hours. We dry things out for the weekend, put ourselves back into the low to mid 70s, and that takes us well into the start of next week. So overall, a picture perfect 7-day forecast to dig us really kind of deeper into the month of October.
Love the winds of change.
The winds of change.
I love it.
About 20-mile-per-hour gusts.
Okay, well, lots of hairspray that day.
Yes.
We'll be right back. Stick around.